In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage duplicate credit card payments in QuickBooks Online. This is an important task because duplicate entries can lead to inaccuracies in your financial records, which in turn could affect budgeting and financial reporting. Ensuring that your transactions are accurate is essential for maintaining the integrity of your bookkeeping. So, let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to navigate to the Transactions section of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. You can easily find this option on the left panel of your screen. This area is your central hub for managing all the transactions within your account, and it includes everything from bank to credit card transactions. Once you're in the Transactions section, you'll need to head over to the Chart of Accounts tab. This tab is instrumental because it holds all the financial accounts in your QuickBooks, organized for easy navigation. Think of it as the backbone of your financial record keeping, giving you a structured overview of each account's activities. Next up, it's time to locate the specific credit card account that contains the duplicate payment you wish to address. Identify this account in your chart of accounts, and once you've found it, click on the View Register option. This lets you access the register of transactions associated with this credit card account, almost like flipping through a digital ledger. When you have the account's register open, carefully review the transactions to find the duplicate payment you need to remove. Duplicates might occur for various reasons, like accidentally recording the same payment twice or a syncing issue. To remedy this, click directly on the duplicate transaction. This action will bring up more options related to that specific entry. With the transaction selected, look for the option to delete it. Click on Delete to remove the duplicate payment from your records. This step is crucial to ensure that your financial data remains correct and consistent. Deleting unnecessary duplicates helps keep your accounts clean and accurate, which is vital for when you need to refer back to or analyze your financial data. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can efficiently delete duplicate credit card payments in QuickBooks Online, ensuring that your bookkeeping remains precise and error-free. Remember, making a habit of regularly reviewing your accounts can prevent these issues and support a healthy financial workflow. Thank you for sticking with me as we tackled this important task. I hope this tutorial was helpful and clear. If you have any questions or need more guidance, don't hesitate to reach out or explore additional resources. Keep your data pristine, and your financials will thank you. Until next time, happy bookkeeping.